We're trying to make a video, but the sun's in our eyes. Ow!
Ow!
Ow! You're a good brother, aren't you? Are you my brother?
Into my eyes.
Your sun's in your eye.
Yeah.
It's not now.
What?
It's not in my eyes if I put my hand over my eye. Oh dear.
No.
What?
You're tickling me.
No, I'm not. I didn't tickle you.
Ow! It's in my
I
eyes.
didn't tickle you. Did I?